Om. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Samasta Jana Kalyani Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayanandam Sadgurum Brahma Vidvaram. Namah Shri Shankarananda Guru Padam Bhujanmani Savilasa Mahamoha Graha Grasaika Karmani. Brahmanaha Shakti Maya. Shakti Sakita Brahma Ishvaraha iti uchyate. Ishvaraha tu Chaitanya Swarupaha Sarva Vasananam Adhishtatru. Tasmat Ishvaraha Sarva Vasananam Adhishta Sarva Lokakrit Sarva Bhutanam Srishtikarta. Ishwarasya Shakti Maya, the power of Maya residing in Ishvara, who is none other than Brahman, is that Maya fully occupying Brahman or only an amsha? If you say an amsha of Brahman is what is present along with Maya as the Adhishtatra of this whole creation, Srishti, because in the verse we saw in 57, Sabhumim Vishwato Vrutva Atyatishta Dashangulam Purusha Evedagam Sarvam Ityati. Vikaravarti cha atrasti Vruti Sutra go Kruto Vachaha. Brahman being Niramshaha, partless. If Brahman is partless, then how can Maya be a part of it? That is the question raised in 58, which is where we stopped. We read again. Niramshetpyam shabor arobhya Krisnem shevedi pruchataha Tadbhashayottaram brute Shruti Shrotrhitaishini Niramshepyam Shabaropya Krisnem Shevedi Pruchataha Tadbhashayottaram Brute Shruti Shrotrhitaishini. Shrutihi Shrotruhita Hita Aishini. Ishini one who is desirous of fulfilling the doubts or removing the doubts of the listener. It is important that we should understand Shruti Mata, the mother Shruti, is interested to remove the ambiguities, doubts in the mind of the listener. You see, when we do not know whether A is right or B is right, both of them look alike, we get confused. Confusion is about choosing what is right. Doubt comes only when you want to choose one among the other, among the two, and you ask a doubt. Like Arjun asked this question, you have told me karma is also important, karma sannyasa is also important. Karmanam, sannyasam karmanam chaiva punar yogam sashamsasi. कर्म त्याग भी आप कहते हो, कर्म योग भी आप कहते हो, क्या करना है? Tell me which one I have to follow. So the desire for knowing which one to be taken up, then there is a doubt. And the doubt can be cleared only when you ask the teacher or the Shruti and then find out what is the right answer. If you remain in confusion and never ask a doubt, that condition is called delusion. Moha is where one does not find or does not seek answer. So Shruti is always moha nivartakaha. Shrutihi hitaishini Shruti. Shrotr hitaishini. What is the question? Is this now coming up doubt? Niramshe api. Brahma niramshe api. Even though Brahman is with no parts, niramshe api. Amshamaropya. It is said the Maya only covers a part of it. Or Krishna Amsheva. Niramsheva, I mean, Amshava, Krishna Amsheva. Does it cover the only a part of it or completely? Iti pruchataha. This way, a question is raised. Tad bhashaya uttaram. To that very question, uttaram, the answer, brute Shruti. The Shruti brute. Shruti is answering this. Now, Swamiji, we don't have the questions at all. Because we don't think. So, jo sochta hai, wo so puchta hai. Only when you ask anything, you start questioning. You don't think, then doubt will not come to a person who doesn't think. So, here, it's interesting. Because if Maya is completely enveloping the Brahman, then Brahman loses himself. See, I am able to speak. That is a power of speech I have. Not the only power of speech alone am I. I cannot be, right? I have something else also. I can walk, I can eat, I can do my work, etc. Speaking is only one of the powers. And I can choose not to speak also. So it is not that the power called speech, without which I cannot live. It is not like that. So therefore, here, the Shakti called Maya is only taking a part of Brahman for its sustenance. the entirety of the Brahman is not occupied by Maya. Only a particular amsha of Brahman is taken by Maya for creating this universe. What is that amsha? What is that part? That is said in 59. Satatvamashrita shaktihi kalpayet sati vikriyaha varna bittigata bittau chitram nanavidam tata satatvamashrita shaktihi kalpayet sati vikriyaha varna bittigata bittau chitram nanavidam yatha tatha. You see, satatvam ashritaha shaktihi. Maya, satatvam. You see, it should be read properly. Yes, sat tatvam. Sat is existence. Tad sat brahmanaha tatvam. It is an aspect of Brahman is known as existence. As you know, Sat, Chit and Ananda. In that, Sat is existence. Chit is consciousness and Ananda is a bliss. All right. Maya has taken shelter of or as a substratum for its own only the Sat aspect of it. Sattvamashrita shaktihi Vikriyaha kalpayet. Vikriyaha, various things. Kalpayet, it conjures, creates. Where sati, in Brahman. That needs to be understood. In the Brahman alone, that very Maya is able to create this entire world. Why? Because Brahman being the substratum on which alone Maya can create anything. Just like a person mistaking a rope to be a snake cannot see the snake without the rope, though he does not know it is rope. He is not seeing the snake somewhere in the sky. He is seeing where the rope is. So rope is a substratum for the snake. In other words, snake is created upon the rope. Right? Gurudev used to say, ghost in the post. A person in the night after seeing the second show movie, coming towards his home, it's a lonely road. He whistling because he wants to have some company. He is very afraid. So he's coming back their home. And suddenly in the middle of the road, he finds a white thing appearing. And because of the light movement somewhere that is going on, maybe a highway in the side, and there's some of the trucks are going and the light is flashing on that, and suddenly it appears, suddenly disappears, suddenly appears, suddenly disappears. Dargev is so afraid, and right in the middle of the street, as though in the darkness. So he doesn't know what to do. He has to go in that way only. And at the same time, he cannot pass on because of the fear. So he didn't know what to do. Transfixed, he's standing there. At that time, there was a guy who's coming in a bike, with his light on. You know, during those times, when you run the way, when you pedal it, the light will be there. Otherwise, it won't be. So he stops him. Hey, wait. What? Can you take me for some distance? You please take me. No, I cannot. Okay, you don't need to, but you keep going. I will go behind you. Oh, what's your problem? Just keep going. I'll just come running behind you. Why do you need me for you to run? You're not going to sit on my bike anyway. You do know, please. As this guy pedals, the light is shining, and as they came closer to that the so-called ghost, because of the light flashing on that close quarters, you could see it is just an innocent post, white post, wooden post there. Oh, what a fright, what a fear it created. Now, until the point when he come to realize that it is only a post that is standing there, his mind has projected the ghost where? On the post. Adhyas. Therefore, it is necessary for the Maya to create the world. The substratum must be there, and that substratum is Brahman. Sati kalpayet. Shakti vikriyaha kalpayet. It creates varieties of things upon Brahman. And the example is given here. Bittau bittikada varnaha chitram nanavidam yata. Yata, tata, as in the same way, nanavidam chitram. Varieties of pictures, bittau, on the wall. Bittikada varnaha. Varieties of colors painted on the wall makes it appear there are pictures only. When you are looking at the beautiful, what is that they do in the downtown LA? The gangs, what they put? What is it called? Graffitis. Graffitis, when you see it's a lot of graffitis are written there, but to put the graffitis, there should be some kind of a wall there. Color things. We don't understand what it means. Only they know. So the various colors are put there on the wall. A wall completely is not seen. Only the colors are seen. But merely by looking at the colors, can you conclude there is no support at all? Though you don't see it. Just like you watch a movie, when you're engrossed in that movie, you don't even know that you're looking at a blank screen. Cry. Take your handkerchief also and so on. Cry. What are you? Crying at a very simple, innocent looking wall or a screen. But at that time when you are so engrossed in the movie, why is it called movie? Because it's moving you. In that moving movie, emotion picture. In that very, in the engrossment of that, you will forget that is nothing but an empty screen on which is projection. In the projection, there are characters. In the characters, they are expressing various emotions. In those emotions, you get identified. And then when you identify, you forget that you are sitting in a chair and looking at an empty screen and crying. This example is important because the entire creation is none other than projection by Maya on the substratum called Brahman. So what it has taken as a support? Sat. Substratum is Sat, existence. And all various colors and other things. Now, see, in an example, there is just a picture. But this Maya is not just an empty, static thing. It creates not a static form. It is creating names and forms which are subject to constant change, continuously changing. And because of the change, there are varieties also. Emotions, feelings, ideas, concepts, creation, destruction, maintenance, prosperity, colors, seasons, planets, stars, universes, lokas, animals, birds, human, plants, flowers, fruit. What an amount of creation it is. You must really give it for it. It is impossible. Think of power. So what is unchanging, it is appear to be changing. What is unmoving seem to be moving. What is static looks to be dynamic. What is subject to no death, it is appear to be dying. What is colorless looks to be colorful. All possibilities. Agatitana Gatana Patiyasi Maya. Bhagavan Shankaracharya says, Bhagavan Maya Panchakam, Agatita Gatana Patiyasi Maya. Agatita, impossible. Gatana Patiyasi, it is capable of making impossible possible. Tera mera mera tera tera mera mera tera yehi Prabhu ki maya. इससे कौन बच पाया. It's not only that it creates this, it creates an illusion, mine, your, mine, all sort of things, and then keep jagda karte raho. यही प्रभु की माया. इससे कौन बच पाया? Who can get out of this? मायां तो प्रकृतिं वित्ति मायिनं तो महेश्वरम. मम माया दुरत्या मामेव ये प्रपद्यन्ते मायामेतां तरन्ति ते. ये माया का ये जाल है. Those who do not surrender to me, it is impossible for them to cross over this. So, Brahmanah Satswarupameva Mayayaha Adhishthana. Taking the Adhishthana Sat Swarupa of Brahman as it is Adhishthana, Maya Vikriyaha Kalpayet Sati. Sati Brahmani. Yata Tada Bittau in the wall, Bittikada Varnaha, the colors that are put there on that very the wall, Chitram Nanavitam. Varieties of pictures. Nowadays, what they call it is modern art. Problem is, you do not understand that. Eye will be somewhere else, the nose will be somewhere here, and the mouth will be somewhere else, and the hand will be somewhere. Conceptual. And then they put the signature below. You know why? Because otherwise you don't know which is the top, which is the bottom. You will do ulta karke dekho. You seem to understand nothing. That's why they put at least the signature at the right place. All right. So, kiya wo Maya. Now, what is the first expression of this Maya? In the substratum called existence. What is it? Adyo vikara akashaha sovakasha swarupavan akashostidi sattattvam akashopyanugacchati Adyo vikara akashaha sovakasha swarupavan Akashosthiti sattattvam akashepyanugacchati. Adyo, the beginning, first creation. Adyo vikaraha. The first modification Maya brings is akasha, space. What is the nature of space? Saha, akasha, avakasha swarupavan. It gives space. Very interesting. What is your name? Space. What do you do? Give space. अवकाश देता है, अवकाश स्वरूपवान. Now you see, interesting thing is this akasha, which is a creation of Maya, it is of the nature of avakasha. But we say space exists. Akasha asti iti. We understand the space exists. Interesting thing is, if you say space exists, the existence aspect of the space is Brahman. Avakasha is of space. It is very substratum is Brahman only, in the form of Sat. See, Sattvatvam of that Akasha is from Brahman. Sattvatvam Akashe api anugacchati Akasha asti iti. Simple thing is, let us say this CD is. In the CD may have, the particular structure, whatever it is, and it is used for recording something. All those things are fine. But first and foremost thing is what it is. That very is, being, existence of all things in this world, that is from Brahman. This is very important for us to understand, because the existence of Akasha is not its nature. It's substratum. तो उसका नेचर नहीं है, वो ब्रह्म का नेचर है. ब्रह्मणः तत्वम सत्तत्वम, not Akashasya. Akasha only got it from Brahman through Maya. That's what in Taittiriya Upanishad, tasmatva etasmat akasha sambhuta. Etasmat, Brahmanaha, from Brahman alone, akasha sambhuta. It is, Bhagavan Shankaracharya used to give the example of a iron ball placed on a fire later on becomes a fireball. This fireball is not fire, but can be treated like fire, because the fireball is used in the lathe, etc., where fire cannot be directly used. The fireball can be used for, heating up things. Now, this fireball has got, it is only originally an iron ball, but it has derived the fire from the fire. But it is not fire. But without the fire, the heat would not be there. So it is a borrowed nature. In the same way, Akashasya astitvam Brahmana. Avakashatvam tad dharma. Space, giving space is the nature of the space. giving room, so to say, but its astitvam, existence, is from Brahman. It is abstract for us to understand. That is why it is, this example has to be properly understood. Because there is nothing in this world that doesn't exist. You see? If an object is, it has an existence, which means what? All objects are primarily Brahman. This is the whole idea here. Pehla baat sabka. Pehla, first nature of everything is what? Hai. Hai na? Ab hai? Ho? आप हो? है? पता नहीं स्वामी जी. किसका पता नहीं है? आपका पता नहीं है. I am. So you cannot say I have no idea whether I am or not. You may probably think somebody else doesn't exist, but your own existence you will never doubt. So when I say I exist, what do I mean by that? ब्रह्म स्वरूपोहम. क्यों? है ना मैं हूं. All things in this world, therefore, that's why in the next verse you see, ekasvapavam sattattvam akasho disvabhavakah navakashasati vyomni sachaishopi dvayam stitam. Chaisha is written, right? Printing, you are printing, because mine is wrong printing here. Is Sachaisha, Sachaishopi. Ekasvabhavam sattattvam akasho disvabhavakah navakashasati vyomni nachaishopi dvayam stitam. Sattattvam ekasvabhavam. Brahmanah sattattvam ekasvabhavam. Brahman has got one nature or aspect called existence. The nature of Brahman is ekasvabhavam, sattattvam. Akashah dvisvabhavaka. The second quality is there in the space of what? Avakasha, giving room. But in that sati na avakasha. Brahman does not have the quality of giving space. Oh, that giving space, which is the quality of space, is not Brahmana tattvam. It is Maya Krita Tattvam. Maya brings an additional quality to space of what? Pervasiveness. Pervasiveness that gives room for everything. Vyominecha eshaha api dvayam stitam. Akasha has got both existence plus avakasha, giving room. Primarily existence. Now let's go back to the example of a round iron ball put in the fire. Now it has fire and round in shape. The fire has no shape. Does the fire have any shape, particular shape? No. So when you take the hand in your, in your, whatever be the thing by which you are holding that, not by hand, a round fireball. So fire cannot have any particular shape. Yes. Now why it has become round? Round belongs to whom? Round belongs to the iron ball. Fire belongs to the fire. So the roundness of that round iron ball is not fire. But the fire, the heat that is there, that belongs to the fire. In the same way, Akashaha asti tata avakasham dadati. Astitvam of the Akasha is Brahmanaha Swarupam Swabhavaha, and Avakashatvam, Avakasha that it gives is of the nature of space, which is Maya Kritam, which is created by Maya. Swamiji, yes, I got spaced out. See the entire, he's going step by step by step, then you will understand why he is taking so much time to explain this. Additional property of space is what? Because it is of the nature of vastness or spreading, it can also include one more quality called sound. So therefore, yadva pradidvanir vyomno guno naso sadikshate vyomnidvau sadvanitena sadekam dvigunam viyat. Yadva pradidvanirvyomno guno naso satikshate vyomnidvau sadvanitena sadekam dvigunam viyat. Viyat means space. Yadva, and also it has pradidvanihi vyomnau. Pratidvani. Pratidvani. Dvani means sound. Pratidvani means a sound produced does not stay there only. It moves. When I'm talking to you, if it stays with me, you will not be able to hear. It is going towards the camera or a microphone. From microphone, it goes to the internet or whatever line, and finally you are able to get all the way wherever you are. Maybe somebody may be 100 miles away, somebody may be next to room, wherever it moves. Even in this very room itself, if I'm talking, when I am sitting and talking, because there is space, the person on the other end of the hall is also able to hear me, because the space that is there in my presence is the same space spread out to the other end and able to hear them. You remember when we were young, we used to have a cup and then a string put to it, and then long string at the end, the other person has got another cup attached to it. Hello, 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 hello. So that string carries that sound to the other end. Nowadays, when you are speaking over your cell phone, somebody thousands of miles away is able to hear it. Is it not wonder of wonder? See, think about it. Some 50 years back, if you have told this, I will speak here, 1,000 miles away, somebody will hear. What stupid? How is that possible? Even I cannot hear you properly. How can a person 1,000 miles away can hear? Radio technology. Sound waves are traveling in space. And they were able to expedite the speed. 5G, 4G, 3G, 5G, whatnot. So how is that possible without space? So space is that which is expanded presence. From one end to another, it is able to transmit the sound. That is called dhvani. That is called pradidvani. Repeating sound waves. That is the guna of akasha. See? Earlier, swabhava is said, no, nature. Now we start talking about the guna. Yata yadva pradidvanihi vyomnau vyomnah. Of that vyom, of the space, guna. Na asau sati ikshate. Sati atmani brahmani. Na ikshate asau. This guna of sound is not found in Brahman. Which is to say, this guna is conjured up by the Maya only. So in Dyomni, in the space, dvau, two things, sat and dhvani. See, sound also exists, right? So sound, existence of the sound is also, that also has got two parts. One is existence, which is from Brahman. Dhvani as the second one. As much as earlier we saw the nature of space is what? It exists and it is, it can give room. This is the swabhava of akasha. Avakasham dadati. Avakasha akashasya swabhava. Dhvanihi akashasya guna. Parantu brahmana na avakasha swabhava na dhvanihi guna. So this dhvani and avakasha are attributes of space, are given to space by Maya. Tena sad ekam. For Brahman ekam, what is called existence, dvigunam viyat. Of the space, it is two qualities. What? Existence and sound. Now, okay, we understand that Maya had already created this kind of additional features for its creation. Understand that. What is further? Ya Shakti Kalpayet Vyoma Sa Sat Vyomnora Binnatam Apadya Dharma Dharmitvam Vyatyayenavakalpayet Ya Shakti Kalpayet Vyoma Sa Sat Vyomnora Binnatam Apadya Dharma Dharmitvam Vyatyayenavakalpayet. Ya Shakti, that very power, Ya because feminine, Ya Shakti Kalpayet, that which is able to conjure up what? Akasha Vyoma Kalpayet, that which is able to create space. Where does it create that? It is creating in the Brahman only. Sat Vyomno Abhinnadam Kalpai Apadya. As far as the existence is concerned, both the space and Brahman are one and the same. Because as far as existence is concerned, both exist. So there abhinnatam, there is no difference at all. Identity is established. Abhinnadam apatya, having thus made the space out of that Brahman, keeping the existence as the undifferentiating oneness, all right, it also produces a difference. Vyatyayena avakalpayet. It also creates a difference. What is that? Dharma dharmitvam. Dharma dharmitvam. Dharma of nature. Dharmi, one who has the nature. Substance and property. The substance existence, property is what? Of two kinds. Avakasha and Dwani. One is called Swabhava, another is Guna. Both of them are added to that space whose dharma is, original dharma is what? Existence. Meaning, having derived the existence from Brahman, the space has been created, keeping that non-differentiated aspect of existence, it adds something else which makes the difference. In other words, in an undifferentiated thing, it can cause differences. Maya is capable of doing that. In the differenceless thing, it can create differences. In changeless thing, it can create changes. In deathless thing, it will create death. Birthless, it can create birth. Akatita katana pati. See, that is the reason why we have to really namaskar karna chahiye usko. Ye kaise karte ho? How is that you are capable of doing this? Maya ka mahima. Maya ki mahima. It is like some people know you can create, they can create many mistakes in the same day. So you have to really appreciate him. How many mistakes you can do every day? One person asked this question, how is that in a day you make so many mistakes? He said, I'll get up early. So I get a lot of time to make mistakes. Dharma dharmitvam vyatyayena, contradictorily. So giving avakash is a dharma. And Dwani, another one. It's interesting why it is called Vyatyaya, why it is called contradictory. You see, when we, the example that I have given in a screen, on a screen or on a blank wall, when a movie is projected or a picture is projected, we are so get carried away by the quality of the picture or color of the picture or whatever motions that are happening in the picture, we hardly notice that it is having its substratum as a movementless, changeless substratum called the wall. We totally forget that. We get carried away by what is perceived as the qualities of a thing than the substratum. So qualities become prominent than the substratum. We totally, neglect the substratum. This relevance to this, to our own self is, when we look at ourselves as merely the body, mind, thoughts, emotions, feelings, prejudices, and then likes and dislikes and goals and achievements and accomplishments, all that which we are thinking about ourselves, we totally forgot that the very substratum is I am. That we have completely ignored. On all other things we have. It is like some people make upma without uppu at all. Can you think of that? Make upma without salt and then give it to me. They are called assaulted food. As a very major ingredient itself is absent. Swamiji, we made sweet without sugar. Why do you call it even sweet then? So, what is essential is totally forgotten, and what is non-essential take prominence. That's why it's called topsy-turvy. It's totally opposite. And that is explained in the next verse, you see. Sato vyomatvamapannam vyomna sattam tu laukikaha tarkikaschavagachanti Maya uchitam hitat Sato vyomatvamapannam vyomna sattam tu laukikaha tarkikaschavagachanti Maya uchitam hitat. Sataha, of that existence, Brahman, vyomatvam, that very existence, Brahman, is now presently, we don't see Brahman as such with our eyes, we cannot, but we see space. We understand there is space. But we understand that the space cannot be without the substratum called Brahman. In other words, Brahman alone is appearing as space here. Akasha Brahma Swarupa. But what we understand it as, Akasha has existence. Arey bhai. It says Vyomnaha Sattam tu Lokika. Vyomnaha Sattam. Not Sattam to Vyoma. See, Satoho Vyomatvam. That is a correct understanding. But what we see, Vyomnaha Sattam. In other words, Brahman is space or space has Brahman. See, Aham Brahmasmi, I am Brahman. Is it correct? Or Mujh mein Brahma hai? Which is what? Which is, tell me, which is right? मुझ में भी ब्रह्म है, उसमें भी ब्रह्म है, वो भी उसमें भी ब्रह्म है, ऐसा कहना है. That very Brahman itself is space, which is having additional quality appearing like Maya is Vyomatvam. Sataha Vyomatvam apannam. But Laukikaha, worldly people, what they say? Vyomnaha Sattam. Space mein there is existence as a property. Even Tarkikaha, even logicians, avagachanti, in that way only. Mayayaha uchitam hitat. That is the greatness of Maya. Make them think totally the opposite. जो है नहीं उसका तो दिखता है, जो है उसका नहीं दिखता है, दिखाता है. So that is why magicians, right? Magicians, what they do, what you are supposed to say, they won't show you. They hide it. And what is not there, They make it appear. All magicians are doing the same thing. What is not there, you will be made to see. What is already there, you will not be allowed to see. If they show what is as is, there's no magic then. I remember one particular thing. One small town was there, and in the town, one person was able to make the sound like a pig. He was able to make the sound like a pig. I don't know what is the sound, I know whatever be the sound. So people lined up, paying 1 cent, I mean, some 50 cents or something, or $1 to listen to him. How he makes such a sound, like a sound like a pig. So the other, one more guy was watching this. What is this? He's making money out of such a simple trick. He put a board and said, here, actual pig is making sound. He put a pig there. Nobody came. We have heard pig how it sounds. But if a man making a sound like a pig is what we want to see. Real pig, nobody wants to see. See, you look at a beggar, you don't care. But if it's an actor, Bollywood or Hollywood, he's acting like a beggar, lined up. How does he act like a beggar? I want to see. Beggars, you real beggar ko dekho na? Nahi. This is Maya. So this space is none other than Brahman. Maya makes an additional quality of Vyomatva. But for ordinary people and even the logicians think that existence is a property of Akash. This is expected. Why? That is nature of Maya. Mayayaha uchitam hitat. That is appropriate because Maya can capable of doing. Maya is capable of doing. Maya vijrimbhyatyabimaha yogi vayasvechaya. Tasmai Sri Guru Murtaye Namayidam Sri Dakshina Murtaye. Be prostrate to Bhagavan Shiva, Dakshina Murti, whose Maya is that which makes this everything appear to be what we see it to be, but it is not actually it is. Jo hai uska, whatever is there, you cannot see that. Whatever is not there, you are allowed to see. आकाशस्य नील वर्णाधिवत. आकाश में नील वर्ण है नहीं है, देखता है, देखो वहां पे. यस, कहां से आए वो? वेयर इज द ब्लूनेस ऑफ द स्काई? है कि नहीं? इट्स देयर? नो. देन सूर्य अस्तमन, कहां सूर्य अस्तमन नहीं होता है, सूर्य एक ही वही है. अस्तमन कहां से? पूरे उदय, उदय भी नहीं है. सूर्य का उदय भी नहीं है, अस्तम भी नहीं है. Then I see it. Oh, just because you see, that doesn't mean it is true. Yatha drishyate tata nasti. So that is the nature of Maya. More of it we'll see in the next class. Om sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayaha, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkhabhat bhavet. Om shanti shanti shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.